Okay, I'm going to start making shorts. I'm going to make a few today if I can. You can probably hear Oasis is fidget. You got Oasis. We could tell my introduction. You can hear Oasis there somewhere. So someone's obviously not going to the gig, but or else they're prepping themselves up for it. But I want to just use the shorts maybe to maybe talk about Maigh Eo. Oh God, like a lobster. And give some dialectical words and maybe some explanations of Mayo dialects. And the first word I want to talk about today is ait, A-I-T. So that's not unfortunately guessed from out the neighbours aren't listening to me. So ait, A-I-T. Typically when people hear that word they think of like the Munster meaning of the word. So ait would mean strange or comical or unusual. And of course there's the famous proverb is Atama conceal, life is funny. But that proverb has a dual meaning because at also means pleasant or lovely or beautiful or fantastic or excellent. And that's the meaning we have in North Mayo. So very common, for instance, a guy I know from Cartay, Paddy, who if he was talking about the weather today, he'd say, oh, both on log a bit to sugar hat, the weather, would UAIR, because you can also say would or aimsire, which have the dual meaning of both weather and time, which is the same in other languages like French, temps. The weather is beautiful today. And if you were sweating buckets, you would say Tama Bahu Alish. I am literally drowned in sweat. Tama Bahu Alish.